In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your reading history on Substack. Substack is a fantastic platform for newsletters, providing users with diverse content directly from creators and writers around the world. Now, you might be curious about revisiting something you've read before, or simply want to keep track of your reading habits. Thankfully, Substack makes it simple to review your reading history, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. To start, you'll need to log into your Substack account. If you haven't already signed up, you'll need to create an account, but for today's tutorial, we'll assume you already have one. So enter your login details and you'll find yourself on your main dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a tab that resembles 4 stacked squares. This is the subscriptions tab. It's your key to accessing all the newsletters you're subscribed to. Click on it and it will open up a new set of options for you. Now, let's move on to the next part of the process. At the top of the page, there should be several tabs for you to choose from. One of these tabs is labeled History. Go ahead and click on that. This section is designed to give you insights into your reading activity. At this point, you are now looking at your reading history. This is where Substack provides a comprehensive view of what you've read over time. You'll see a list of your past interactions, capturing your reading habits and allowing you to dive back into any content you'd like to revisit. It's a great way to remind yourself of interesting pieces or check how your reading patterns have evolved. Exploring your reading history can serve multiple purposes. For some, it's a way to revisit favourite articles, while others might use this to ensure they haven't missed any important updates from their preferred writers. You might even find yourself discovering gems you didn't fully appreciate the first time around. So take your time perusing through your history and enjoy the journey of rediscovery. In conclusion, accessing your reading history on Substack is quick and effortless. By simply logging into your account, navigating to the subscriptions tab, and selecting history, you gain an insightful overview of your past reads. This feature truly enriches your experience on the platform, keeping you connected to the content that matters most to you. Thank you for watching, and happy reading on Substack.